Hi educators! In this video I will show you how to add audio to announcements posted in your online course using Anchor. First, go to anchor.fm. Anchor is a podcasting software. You'll want to sign in, or if this is your first time, create an account. Click New Episode in the top right hand corner. Then click Record on the top left side. Once you are ready, click Start Recording. Once you are done recording, click Stop Recording. Allow it to upload and process. Then click to add the episode. On the left-hand side are options to customize your audio. I like to add transitions. Click the plus sign to add the transition that you like. You can move the transitions to your liking. Preview your episode. Once you're satisfied, click Save Episode. Give your episode a title and a description. Now you can save it as a draft or click Publish Now. Copy the embed code or the link into your course. In your course, create a new announcement. In the editor, find the HTML reader. Paste the embed code and click Save. Then your podcast should appear. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified of future videos.